Brushing your locks can definitely help remove the buildup residue on your lock. I recently even incorporated brushing my locks into my shampoo routine. What you saying, guys and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. My name is Moniqua. Today we have another lock video. Now I know y'all like these videos, so we're back with another one. Today's video is going to be all about brushing your locks. I want to talk about why brushing your locks is even important at all. Brushing your locks definitely is a healthy way of maintaining your locks. I ain't gonna lie. But it's also evident that brushing your locks is something you do when your locks are mature. When you just get started locks, you cannot brush your locks right away because it will unravel. So this is why there's such a controversy when it comes to brushing your locks. When you start brushing your locks, it's good to start from the scalp and then move down into the lock. The main reason why we brush our locks is to get any excess product from the top of our lock or lint that lays on the top of our lock, and it also stimulates your scalp as well, causing you to have healthy growth. You must clean your brush before you brush your locks. Like, you have to clean your brush. Like, these tips you need to know, because if you don't clean your brush every time that you brush your locks, basically everything that you brush off your locks is going back into your locks. But now let's talk about why brushing your locks is so beneficial to your locks. It encourages hair growth. It really stimulates your scalp. It encourages blood flow, helping your scalp to maintain circulation. We need that. It also prevents matting. As you know, if you get your locks, it's very important, if you hadn't had a retwist in a very long time, that you must separate your roots. If you don't separate your roots will start to marry together, and that's something that you don't want, especially if you're not a person that's free forming. If you ever see somebody who locks look like super pressed down, that's because they're not brushing your locks or even taking care of their locks. And we all know locks becomes matted and tangled when it's not maintained. So therefore we use the brush. This is helping your locks to become detangled and separate the strands. You only could do so much with your hands, but it's good to use a brush to help. Another benefit to brushing your locks is definitely buildup. Like, brushing your locks can help you remove buildup. As you all know, buildup can occur from many things. It's mostly product over time that's just getting in your hair, like edge control. Some oils can tend to be heavy if you're using the wrong oil. Lint, like, it's so much different things that can contribute to buildup. Brushing your locks can definitely help remove the buildup residue on your lock. I recently even incorporated brushing my locks into my shampoo routine, and I literally just take my time, go through my scalp with a toothbrush, and literally just scrub the surface, and I feel like my locks and my roots and everything just become so much cleaner. And I've been loving how my hair looks after I shampoo it. So you don't want a lot of debris and product residue in your hair, because it can also help prevent your locks from growing. Another benefit to why I love brushing my locks is brushing your locks enhances your appearance. Like, your locks just look so vibrant and so healthy when you brush it. You can imagine when you oiling your scalp and then you go and you brush your scalp, like, everything just looks so healthy and vibrant. Like, people always ask me about my hair, and they always ask, like, what's your routine or what you're using on your hair? And brushing definitely is one of those things that I incorporated into my routine, because I feel like brushing my locks gives me like a smoother appearance, and it also helps distribute oils throughout my locks. Like, I can just slap some oil on my hair and rub it down, but if you oil your hair and then you brush your hair right after, like, the brush will literally get those oils into your hair, which is also good. Another benefit to brushing your locks is definitely it improves your scalp health. As you can see, I just briefly talked about how I just started brushing my locks during when I shampoo. This is because it's a bit longer, and I'm trying to use shampooing as like some form of self-care. So when I go in, I go ham in my shampoo routine. So the brush that I use is the two-sided brush. Like, this has a hard side, and then the next side is like a soft side. When my locks was a bit softer, I used the soft side to get the top, and now that it's a bit firmer, I use the hard side, and this literally gets everything. Now when it comes to shampooing my locks, I normally go in with a toothbrush because it's a bit small and it literally gets in there. As you all know, like, my dandruff get triggers from time to time, and if I want to get that in my scalp, I can get in there with a brush. After I've done brush my locks, like, my locks and my scalp feels super clean. Like, it definitely distributes those oils and provide like a more healthier scalp. Like, I don't feel like nothing stuck to my scalp. Like, everything just feel clean. You know, like when your hair feels clean, that's how my hair feel when I brush my locks. So that is all the benefits and tips I have for when it comes to brushing your locks. It is definitely something that is needed when it comes to your lock journey. And like I say in the beginning, if you're just starting out, be cautious because your locks will untangle, but you can go on the surface with a soft brush so your locks don't entangle, because you are just basically getting the lint that sneaked its way into there. Y'all know locks and lint go hand in hand. So if you're somebody that brushes your locks, let me know down in the comments. Let me know why you started brushing your locks or how you brush your locks. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.